Hey guys, I'm standing in front of a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Now this is an LTZ. It's one of the upper end models like the high country. So these features I'm going to show you may not be available on all the different models, but hey, it's worth a try to see if you got it. This is the key fob I'm using. You can see it's got lock, unlock, remote start, and this is your tailgate. So hey, the first feature I'm going to show you, you may actually know how to do this, but it's the remote start. So let's try it right quick. I'm going to quickly show you how to crank it using your remote start on your key fob. If yours is equipped with this, you'll see a little circle with an arrow on it down here in the corner. What you got to do to start it is you got to hit your lock button twice, then hold the circle in. So let's do it. 1, 2, you'll hear it honk. Then hold the button in with a circle. And there she cranks up. To kill it, all she do is just push the button again and it kills it. Alright, feature number 2 is our folding power mirrors. I'm going to show you how to fold these in with the key fob. And the way you do it is the lock button. That's the button the upper left if you're looking this way at it. You push it twice. First time you push it, second time you push it in and you hold it. Watch. Push, push and hold. You'll hear the horn and you'll see the mirrors fold in. To unfold them, you just hit the unlock button for about 2 seconds and they fold right back out. Now you have to program this from the inside, so let me jump in right quick and quickly show you how to turn this feature on. Okay, the first thing we want to do, of course, is start our vehicle. Next thing, hit this little home key right here. Then scroll and find your settings. If it's on this page, you can scroll to the right. Hit settings. Alright, we want to hit comfort and convenience. And you'll see remote mirror folding. Just punch that. Right here is where you turn it off. I've already got it on, but you can turn it on and off right there. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now it's set up to go. Alright, number 3. I'm going to show you how to roll all 4 windows down with the key fob. Now you may say, why you want to roll all your windows down? Well, the only thing I can think of is a hot day and you want to let it cool off. To do this, you want to find your unlock button. You want to push it once, you want to push it the second time and hold it. I'm going to push it once, I'm going to push it the second time and I'm going to hold it. As you can see, all your windows roll down. Now, if you want to roll them back up, you got to get inside and roll them back up. Now, you got to set this feature up from the inside, so let me jump in right quick and quickly show you how to do that. Okay, first thing we want to do, of course, is start our vehicle. Next thing is punch this little home button. Then we want to find our settings. If you're on this page, you can just scroll to the right, hit settings. Then we want to hit this remote lock, unlock, start. And then we want to scroll down till we find remote window operations. Punch that. Right here is where you turn it on and off. I've already got it on, but you can turn it on and off. That's pretty much all there is to it to get it set up. Number 4, I'm going to show you how to lower and raise the tailgate with the key fob. On your key fob, if you've got this little emblem right here, it shows a tailgate and it says ×2. The way we do this is we push it once, and we push it a second time and we hold it. And you can see the tailgate lowers it. To raise it back up, you do the same thing. You punch it once, you punch it a second time, and you hold it. And you need to hold it till it goes all the way and clicks into position. If this helps you out, hey, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I'll catch you later.